Hey everybody, Mike Whiteside here at Black Dog Salvage. Time for a daily dog. And I want to show you a project I've been trying to get to for quite a while here. We've got a really interesting kind of a chaise lounge with a cane side, back, and seat. And it's all perfect except one spot. And that's the spot I'm going to be working on. But here she is right here, hand caned. It's not an antique. But there's a lot, all this is all handwork. And if anybody knows anything about caning, this is very time consuming and hard to do. Instead of taking the whole piece out and weaving it, I'm going to back weave a couple inches on either side. So I'll put the left ones, the right ones, and then the diagonals. You see here, my finger looks awful in this thing. I've got my cane's been soaking in water, and I'm gonna go at it. So stay tuned. What we're doing here is clipping away the broken pieces. And if it's not broken, don't cut it. Back in the early 80s, moved to Denver, right out of the Navy, and a good friend of mine, John Lovins, former Navy buddy, taught me how to cane. And it's kind of a dying art. Not many people around do it anymore. So if you need a chair cane, don't call me. Don't call me because I'm not any good at it. Okay, I think I got it trimmed pretty much what I need. So we're going to do the right angles first, and then we'll do the diagonals. So you got it? So you're just following the ups and the downs of it. And gotta make sure I get it right. Two going in each direction. Once you do a couple of passes, then you've got it, and it just repeats. And you can imagine doing all this on this whole chair. I mean, this would take me a year to do. I mean, I'm not that good, so. See it right here? Put a little oil on that. Stain it a little bit. It'll be beautiful. And it'll last. You can sit on it. All right, everybody. Had a little time lapse there. I hope it turns out okay. I want to show you the finished product. You'll probably notice it, but you give it a little bit of time and rub a little oil in it. It's going to be beautiful. So you guys take care of yourself and just come get this caned chaise. Be good.